Hey everyone, my friends. Today on Kalevala, I'm going to show you how to fix the Steam Cloud error. First, check if Steam servers are working. Open your browser and type Steam status here. Yep. Go to the site and see if everything's okay with Steam. As you can see now, everything's green, everything's fine. Focus on this section because if you see lines like this, it means Steam is down. Well, if there's just one little yellow marker, that's not a big deal. Next, try restarting Steam. Right-click the icon in the bottom right and choose Exit. That's how you restart it. After logging back in, select a specific game. For instance, Dota. Click Properties, then General. Here you have Steam Cloud, which you can turn on or off. That's when the Steam Cloud error will fix itself. But what if Steam Cloud doesn't work? It's best to do this with online games only, because if your saves are only in Steam Cloud, you'll lose them and need to resync. Then restart your computer. That's it for now. Goodbye.